Ah, what a perfect day. The sky is blue, the pond is smooth, and the bugs are extra crunchy.
Hey, why are the clouds getting all puffy and grey?
Hey, who splashed me?
I think the sky did. Waddles, I don't think that's gonna work.
Wait, this isn't bad, it's fun. It's a Quackin Dance Party. Drip, drop, quack and hop. Rain comes down but we don't stop.
Pitter, patter, splash and play. Jump and quack the rain away. Look, a rainbow.
And I thought rain was just for getting wet. But it's for dancing, too.
See? Any day can be fun if you make it a party.